Bluey froze against the wall, her paws pressed tightly to the cool surface. A strange shadow danced across the floor, and her heart raced with fear. "What was that?" she whispered. Bingo peeked from behind the sofa. "Bluey, are you okay?" she asked. Bluey's ears twitched nervously. She tried to inch away, but her paws slipped slightly. "Oh no," she gasped, clinging back to the wall with all her strength. Mom came into the room. "What's happening here?" she called. Bluey's tail was tucked, eyes wide and darting around. A flicker of movement made her paws tremble. "It's huge and scary," she whimpered. Bingo inched closer. "Maybe it's just a shadow," she suggested. Bluey swallowed, nodding slowly, trying to steady her breathing. Her body pressed tightly against the wall, almost sliding down. Dad entered the room, looking concerned. "What's going on?" he asked. Bluey's voice shook. "There's something scary. I think it's behind me." Mom crouched down. "Bluey, look at me. It's just the lamp casting a shadow." Bluey blinked. The lamp light revealed a harmless pile of toys. "Oh, phew," she sighed, sliding carefully down the wall. Her tail wagged again, relief washing over her. Bingo hugged her. "You were so brave even when you were scared." Bluey giggled. "I felt like I was stuck forever, but it's okay now." They decided to play, turning the scary shadow into a fun game. Bluey pretended to tiptoe past the shadow. Bingo followed, giggling. Even Snickers joined, barking and chasing shadows of his own. Bluey laughed. "I guess shadows can be friends too." As the afternoon passed, the room felt bright and cheerful again. Bluey snuggled with Bingo, tail wagging in relief. "I never thought a shadow could make me so scared, but now it's fun." Dad snapped a photo. "Say cheese, brave little pup." Bluey waved. If you loved our shadow adventure, give a like, tap subscribe, and join us for more thrilling moments.